Let's get ready to use that Homebrew Ohio 15-piece 1-gallon winemaking equipment kit. We have decided that we're going to make our wine from a kit. And so, California Moscato is the answer to our varietal, and that's what we're going to be making. But today we're just going to be doing, our step one was to do an unboxing so that you could do your inventory. And now we're on step two to make sure everything's clean and ready for making your wine. Let's pull out the instructions to begin with. Here we go. Now, the first thing it's going to tell us to do is what our day one is going to be. And number one is clean and sanitize your equipment to be used and bring all your components up to room temperature. So we know our components are in room temperature. We're going to start our cleaning. So we know we're going to need our primary fermenter and our lid clean. We're going to make sure that our tonneau lock is ready, our stir spoon, our triple scale hydrometer, and let's get started. So we have our Easy Clean here, and I'm just going to cut this open and follow the directions, which are that we use 1 tablespoon of Easy Clean for 1 gallon of warm or hot water. So the water being warm or hot will help it to dissolve. So we're just going to get this swirling around so that we can dissolve it. You'll know it's fully dissolved when you don't hear it be quite as noisy on the bottom. So I've got my spoon in here. I'm going to take apart tonneau lock. My triple scale hydrometer needs to be clean. And then we will also make sure that we get our primary fermenter and lid clean. If I'm near a sink, which I'm not today, I would just pour some in and kind of swish it around and make sure that there's no particles, there's nothing left from the last time I used it. If you've got a brand new kit, you could have some pieces of plastic or things from the manufacturing process. So you just want to make sure that everything that is being touched and used is in fact clean. This particular process is one of the most, or if not the most important process when it comes to making wine from home. And we are ready to go to our next